Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to remove, let's say, a person or an object that you don't want in your picture. Maybe you wanted to snap a picture and someone interrupted and got into your image and you don't want that person to be in your image. I'm going to show you the easy step to remove that person or that object. So in this image right here, let's say we want to remove this man, right? We want to remove this man. So first thing we're going to do is zoom in, right? We're going to zoom in to see the man clearly, and then we'll come over here and right click on this tool and select your lasso tool. Alright, so we're just going to select around the man just like that. We'll just select around him and select the shadow as well, because you don't want to leave the shadow. Just select the man just like that. Then we'll come over here to edit, click on content aware fill. Alright, click on content aware fill. Right, then you give it some time for the AI to remove the man for us. As you can see over here, it has removed the man. So we just click OK to apply this change. Alright, so let's wait for a few moments for the man to be removed. Okay, so as you can see, it has removed the man for us. So if you look over here on our layer panel, you can see that it's created another layer for us. Okay, so this layer is like the one that is covering this man right here. Right, so if I should move the man, this layer, you can see the man, right? But let me undo this. As you can see, it acts like a sort of shield or an invisibility cloak, but it gets the job done, right? So if you want these two layers to be one, you can simply do it by holding your control key and select whole layer, then control E to merge them, right? So it's one solid image right now, right? So you can see the man has been removed and it's very easy to do. Alright, so I have another image that I want to use to illustrate this as well. So the image is this one right here. Let's say we want to remove this guy. We'll just repeat the same process as we did with the first image. Click on your lasso tool, come over here and select around the person. Alright, select around the person, then go to edit, click on content aware fill. Alright, give it some time for the AI to remove the person. Right, I will click on OK. As you can see, same thing, it has removed that person. So if you notice over here, it has created another layer as well. So we do the same thing. If you want it to be a one solid image, you merge the two layers together. Now for this glowing line right here, it shows that a selection has been made, or something has been selected. So to remove it, you come over here to select and click on deselect, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl D, right? So that way it has removed it for us. Now if we want to turn this off, as you can see, the person is still there. So if we turn this back on, it covers the person, right? Now to merge these two layers together, just hold, while this one is selected, hold your control key, hold down your control, then you select the background layer, then click Ctrl E to merge the layers. Alright, so as you can see, they have been merged into one. Now we can do the same thing for this man right here. Let's say we want to remove this man. Alright, we'll go back to our lasso tool and draw around. Sorry, this is the wrong tool, so I'm gonna cancel that. Go to our lasso tool, then click and draw around the man. Alright, just like that. Draw around the man, and then repeat the same process. Click on content aware and wait for the AI to remove the man for us. As you can see, the man is gone. So just click on OK. take a few moments for it to make the selection. As you can see, it has removed the man for us. So to remove this line that indicates selection, just click Ctrl D on your keyboard. So as you can see, guys, it is very easy to do. Now just merge these two layers together to complete the process. So you can see it's very easy to do. Alright, the guy here has been removed and the one that is jumping into the water has been removed. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also comment if you have any questions that you want to ask or any ideas that you want me to work on, any video you would like me to work on, please leave it in the comment section below. Alright, peace.